Everyone, welcome back to this session of coordinate geometry. In this video we have to learn three important concepts, but today we are going to concentrate particularly on the first concept, that is distance formula. If two points are given with their coordinates p of x1 y1 and q of x2 y2, then what is the distance between these 2 points? So this derivation is already done in our high school level. Let's recollect the formula. Distance between 2 points is given by PQ, which is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's have simple examples on these concepts. Find the distance between 2 points 2, 3 and 1, 3. Solution. So let us consider these 2 points as P and Q. P is 2, 3 and Q is 1, 3. P point anna x1 y1 and Q point anna enanta tagotiri x2 y2 anta tagotiri. So applying the distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So solution, that is equal to root of x2 minus x1. What is x2? 1. What is x1? 2. x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is nothing but 3 minus 3 whole square. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1 square, 3 minus 3 is 0 square, which is equal to root of 1 plus 0, which is equal to root 1, which is equal to 1 unit. Find the distance between 2 points 6, minus 4 and 3, 0. So first point, that is considered as P, and another point is taken as Q. 6, minus 4, x1, y1, 3, 0, which is taken as x2, y2. x1 no 6, y1 no minus 4, x2 no 3, y2 is 0. Distance formula ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಿ, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to 3 minus 6 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square is 3 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? 0. Minus y1. What is y1? Minus 4. y2 minus y1. y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 4. 0 plus 4 whole square. So minus 3 square, which is equal to root of minus 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to root of 9 plus 16, which is root 25, that is 5. Find the distance between origin and minus 2, 3. We know the coordinates of origin, that is 0, 0. Coordinates of origin, 0, 0. And another point is minus 2, 3. So distance between these 2 points is given by, that is origin anna x1 y1 anta tagotiri, and another point minus 2, 3 anna x2 y2 anta tagotiri. Applying the distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 0 whole square. y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to root of minus 2 square plus 3 square, which is plus root of 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13 units. Let's have some unique examples on this concept, that is show that the points A of 2, minus 4 and B of 4, minus 2 and C of 7, 1 are collinear. Collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Collinear points ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ points ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ, so these points should lie on a same line. 3 or more points are said to be collinear. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a line. Okay, if they lie on a line. So these points are known as collinear points. ಅವು ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದೂರನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಟೈಪು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದು 3rd ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದೂರನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ collinear. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ collinear ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, so non-collinear points are nothing but the points which do not lie on a single line. These are non-collinear. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 3 points A, B, C. 3 points A, B, C taken in this order are collinear if and only if AC is equal to AB plus BC. Okay. So distance formula concept olaga collinearity condition enu. What is the condition for collinearity in distance formula? Condition for collinearity using the concept of distance formula is given by distance AC is equal to distance AB plus BC. Okay, sum of two distances is equal to third distance. Okay, so let us take these points as A, B, C. So let's find the distance AB and distance BC and distance AC. So distance AB find madri, distance BC find madri, distance AC find madri. So A point is 2, -4, B point is 4, -2, C point is 7, 1. Let's find the distance between A and B. So distance AB is equal to, so this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is -2 minus of y1 minus y1. Minus of -4 is +4 whole square. So this is equal to root of 2 square plus 2 square. So this is equal to 4 plus 4 which is root 8. Distance BC find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Distance BC find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು x1 y1, C ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x2 y2. B point is x1 y1, C point is x2 y2. So distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x1, 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1, that is 1 plus 2 whole square. y2 minus y1, 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So this is equal to 3 square plus 3 square which is equal to 9 plus 9 which is equal to root 18. Distance AC find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Distance AC is A point is x1 y1, C point is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1, y2 minus y1, minus of minus 4, 1 plus 4 whole square. So this is equal to root of 7 minus 2 is 5 square, 5 square, that is 25 plus 25 which is equal to root 50. So ಈ root 8 ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀರಿ? 4 into 2, this is 2 root 2. Here root 18 ಅನ್ನ perfect square ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 9 into 2 which is equal to 3 root 2. 25 ನ perfect square root ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 25 into 2 is root 25 into 2 is root 50 which is equal to 5 root 2. Okay. So observe the distances AB, distance BC and distance AC. AC is equal to AB plus BC, that is 5 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. So 5 root 2 like terms averi, like time terms ava. Therefore ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾರ ರೂಟ್ 2, 2 ರೂಟ್ 2, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 2 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ರೂಟ್ 5 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3√2 plus 2√2 is equal to 5√2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the given points are said to be collinear. Therefore, condition satisfied. Therefore, the given points are collinear. Let's move to the another example. Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and 3, 4. Okay, a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 7, 6 and 3, 4. There are two conditions. First condition is point on x-axis, and the second condition is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and 3, 4. Third condition averi. Third condition yavagu, a point should be on x-axis, and second condition is equidistant from the point 7, 6 and 3, 4. Let us take 2 points, that is 7, 6 and 3, 4. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. A point should be on x-axis. ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ coordinates ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. That is x-axis, y-axis with origin. X-axis values 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನ coordinate ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿತೀರಿ? 1, 0. Because value of x-axis is present, value of y-axis is absent. Therefore, we can write this 1 as 1, 0. Similarly, 2 anna en baritiri 2, 0. 3 anna en baritiri 3, 0. So on. -1, 0, -2, 0. Value of x-axis is present and y-axis is absent. Value of x-axis is present. Value of y-axis is absent. Therefore, we have a note that is any point on x-axis. The coordinates of any point on x-axis is of the form x, 0, whereas the coordinates on y-axis, the coordinates of any point on y-axis is of the form 0, 1. Okay, so for condition is a point on x-axis is nothing but a point on x-axis is nothing but it is of the form x, 0, which is equidistant. Which is equidistant from 2 points. Distance of x, 0 to this point is same as distance from x, 0 to 3, 4. ಇವೆರಡೂ distances same ಇರಬೇಕು. These two distances are equal. Distance measured from x, 0 to 7, 6 is equal to distance measured from x, 0 to 3, 4 are equal. Okay, so nothing but ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, a ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ b ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ c ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Nothing but, so this point is equidistant from these 2 points is nothing but a distance AC is equal to distance BC. Applying distance formula. Distance between A and C is, what is A point? 7, 6. What is C point? X, 0. So applying the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to distance between B and C. B point enadari 3, 4 and C point is x, 0. So distance between these 2 points, x2 minus x1, nothing but x minus 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 is 0 minus 4 whole square. So this is equal to, okay, we know the formula. What is the formula? Formula ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು? a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Applying this formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. ಹೌದಾ? plus 0 minus 6 whole square is minus 6 square is plus 36, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus 16. So this is equal to root of x square plus 49 minus 14x plus 36 is equal to root of x square plus 9 minus 6x plus 36. So this implies x square minus 14x, 49 plus 36. Just try to 49 plus 36. So that is equal to 85. Okay, which is equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then we get x square minus 14x plus 85 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. Square root cancel aagta. Okay, so x square will get cancelled. Minus 14x plus 85 is equal to minus 6x plus 25. So this implies 85 minus 25 is equal to 14x minus 6x. Numbers one kade tagoteni. 85 minus 25 equal to x terms anna innond kade tagoteni. Minus 14x and ee kade tagondre plus 14x minus 6x. So this is 60 and this is 8x. So this implies x is equal to 60 by 8. 2 4s are 2 30s are 2 2s are 2 15s are. Therefore x is 15 by 2. A point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 points is given by x comma 0, which is equal to, therefore point on x-axis is x comma 0, which is x is 15 by 2 comma 0 is the answer. Okay. Next example. Show that the points 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1 and minus root 3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Before solving this question, what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle andre enu? Equilateral triangle is nothing but it is a triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Okay. Equilateral triangle antandre, it is a triangle in which all sides are equal and interior angles of this triangle are congruent to each other. Our ಮೂರು angles equal irtava. They are at 60 degree. Okay. So these points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಸಿ. ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So, using the concept of distance formula, we can prove that the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. That is, side AB, distance of AB is equal to distance of BC is equal to distance of AC. And now, ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Let us consider these points as A, B, C. A, B, C. Let us find the distance AB, BC and the distance AC. What is distance AB? Distance AB is equal to distance AB. Entry distance AB, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x2? Okay, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So root of x2 minus x1 x2 is minus 1 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 another 1 minus y1. y2 is y2 minus y1. Nothing but y2 is 1 minus of minus 1. That is plus 1. So this implies root of minus 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. Distance BC find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So distance BC is, okay, distance BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1. What is x2 minus x1? B ಅನ್ನೋದು x1 y1, C is x2 y2. So B is x1 y1, C is x2 y2. So root distance formula is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is x2 minus x1 is minus root 3 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 andre minus root 3 minus x1. x1 is minus 1 minus root 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 minus root 3 minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to, applying the formula, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so illenaitre first a, this is b, a plus b whole square. What is a square? Minus root 3 square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus b. Here plus, this is a, this is b. ಈ minus root 3 minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? minus root 3 plus of minus 1 ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? minus root 3 minus 1 ಅನ್ನ minus root 3 plus of minus 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that this is a and this is b. So that this is a plus b. So a plus b whole square ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? So minus root 3 ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? minus root 3 plus of minus 1. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ and this is b. A square is minus root 3 square and b square is minus 1 square plus a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So this is equal to root of minus root 3 square is 3 plus 1 square is 1, 2 into minus root 3 into 1 plus into minus, and here minus root 3 square is plus 3 minus 1 square is 1, 2 plus 2 into minus so minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus 2 root 3. So these two will get cancelled. This is 4 plus 4 which is equal to root 8. Okay, distance BC ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ AC ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ AB ಆಯ್ತು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ BC ಆಯ್ತು, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ AC ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ CA ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x1 y1 ಆಯ್ತು, B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x2 y2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ x1 y1 and x2 y2. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ A B C. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ AC ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೇವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x2 minus x1 whole square. This is x2 y2. This is A point is x1 y1, C point is x2 y2. Distance formula is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 ಏನದ? minus root 3 minus y1 ಏನದ? minus 1 minus root 3 plus y1. So applying the formulas. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ again ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ simplification, that is root of. So this is minus root 3 minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Minus root 3 plus of minus 1. So that this is a and this is b. A plus b. A plus b whole square expansion ಏನು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. So minus root 3 plus of minus 1 whole square. This is minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. So a plus b whole square. A is minus root 3. B is minus 1. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and here it is a b. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay, so this is equal to, so this implies that is minus root 3 square is 3, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus into minus is plus into plus, that is plus only 2 root 3, minus root 3 square is plus 3, minus 1 square is 1, plus into minus is minus 2 root 3. Okay, plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will get cancelled. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So plus 4 is root 8. Therefore, distance AB is equal to distance BC is equal to distance AC. All three sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay, we'll move to the next example. Next example, show that the points 2, 2, 6, 3 and 4, 11 form a right angled triangle. What do you mean by right angled triangle? It is a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Okay, opposite to this side is known as hypotenuse. Adjacent sides anna legs anta karitiri. Okay, one important theorem you will prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, that is Pythagoras theorem. ಈ Pythagoras theorem will prove ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ the solution is done. What is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? That is, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. ಈ Pythagoras theorem prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to find the distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. After finding these three distances, we'll take the squares of that distances, okay, and we'll verify the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, A is equal to 2, 2, B is 6, 3, C is 4, 11. Let's find the distance AB. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. So applying the distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square is 6 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 16 plus 1, which is equal to root 17. Next, distance BC. B point is x1, y1. C point is x2, y2. So this is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 11 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to minus 2 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 4 plus 64, that is root 68. Distance AC find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. A point is x1, y1. C point is x2, y2, which is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 11 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 11 minus 2 is 9 square. 2 square is 4, 9 square is 81, which is equal to root 85. By Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that is AC square is square root of 85. Square root, that is squaring of 85. Root 85 is 85. This is square of root 17 and square of root 68 is 68, which is sum of these two is 85. Therefore, 85 is equal to 85. The given points form a right angled triangle. Next example, show that the points 2, minus 2, 8, 4, 5, 7 and minus 1, 1 are the vertices of a rectangle. So, rectangle is an example of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral andre enu? Quadrilateral andre any shape with four sides. So, examples of quadrilateral yavavu? Parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, kite, trapezium, okay, etc. So, these are the examples of quadrilateral. So, rectangle idardu enu? So, rectangle antandre opposite sides are equal and parallel. Also, diagonals equal. Square antandre all sides are equal, also diagonals equal. Parallelogram antandre opposite sides are equal and parallel, diagonals bisect each other. Rhombus antandre all sides are equal, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So these are the properties of quadrilaterals, that is parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. Illi question keliddu, show that the points 2, minus 2, 8, 4, 5, 7 and minus 1, 1 are the vertices of a rectangle. So in order to prove these points are the vertices of a rectangle, we need to prove the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, also diagonals are equal. Okay, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ AC is equal to diagonal BD using the concept of distance formula. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m equal to tan theta, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ 10th ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ given points are the vertices of a rectangle. So here we need to find distance AB, distance BC, distance CD and distance DA or AD. So distance AB find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Distance AB find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2. So that is equal to, so x2 minus distance formula is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 4 minus of minus 2. So distance AB is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to 6 square and here 4 plus 2 square. So this is equal to 6 square plus 6 square. So that is 36 plus 36 is equal to root 72. Next we find the distance BC. That distance BC is equal to B point anna x1 y1 anta tagotiri, C point anna x2 y2 anta tagotiri. So that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to root of minus 3 square plus 3 square which is equal to 9 plus 9, which is equal to root 18. Next, distance CD. That distance CD is C point anna x1 y1 and D point anna x2 y2 togoti. That is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to minus 6 square, and here also minus 6 square, which is equal to 36 plus 36, which is equal to root 72. Next is distance AD or distance DA. So distance DA is given by D point is x1 y1 and A point is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, okay, D point is x1 y1, A point is x2 y2. So this is equal to root of x2 minus x1, x2 minus of x1, that is x2 is root of x2 minus of x1 whole square, okay, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is 2 plus 1 whole square and this is minus 3 square. So plus 3 square minus 3 square. So this is equal to 9 plus 9, which is equal to root 18. Okay. So in order to prove the given points are the vertices of a rectangle, andre diagonals equal anta torisbeku. Therefore diagonal AC togotiri. Diagonal AC, A point. What is the A point? 2 comma minus 2. C point is 5 comma 7. x1 y1 x2 y2. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So this is equal to 3 square plus 9 square. So this is equal to 9 plus 81. So this is equal to root 90. Next, diagonal BD. So diagonal AC aito. Diagonal AC find madidri. Diagonal AC find madidri. Next, diagonal BD find madidri. B point enadari. That B point is 8 comma 4 and D point is minus 1 comma 1. So diagonal BD find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Then diagonal BD is given by root of. So diagonal BD is given by root of. So this is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So which is equal to minus 9 square and this is minus 3 square. So 81 plus 9, this is equal to root 90. Or opposite sides. Here opposite sides antandre yavavu? AB, distance AB is equal to distance CD. Distance AB is equal to distance CD. Opposite sides. Okay. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. That AD is equal to BC. BC another root 18 and AD or DA, that is also root 18. So BC is equal to AD. So opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite sides are equal. Also diagonals. Diagonals equal ava? Root 90, root 90. Therefore diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Opposite sides are equal. Also diagonals are equal. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. So next question. Show that the points 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3 and minus 2, 1 are the vertices of a square. So what is the properties of square? So square is a quadrilateral in which it has 4 right angles. Right angles irtava. Also all the sides are equal as well as diagonals are also equal. Diagonals equal irtava. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. So all sides are equal and diagonals are equals means it is a square. So which is the properties of square. So before going to prove all sides are equal and their diagonals are equal, let us find the distance AB, distance BC, distance CD, distance AD using the concept of distance formula. Distance AB find madri. So what is the distance AB? Distance AB find madri. That is A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. Distance formula is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 is 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2 minus y1? Illi minus plus solo taptiri. Okay. So signs important too. So y2 another 1 other minus y1. y1 another minus 1 other. So that it is 1 plus 1 whole square. So that is equal to 2 root of 2 square plus 2 square is root 8. Distance BC find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Distance BC, B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. Applying the distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square is 0 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 3 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to minus 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root of 4 plus 4, which is root 8. Distance CD prove ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. C is x1 y1, D is x2 y2. Distance formula root of x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is 1 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to root of minus 2 square plus minus 2 square, again it is root 8. Distance AD or distance DA. So find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Distance AD find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ x1 y1, x2 y2. So which is equal to root of x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 ಏನಾತ್ರಿಲೆ? y2 is 1 minus of minus 1. That is 1 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to minus root 2 square plus 2 square is plus root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. So all sides are equal, which is equal to root 8. Now diagonals. Diagonal AC. What is diagonal AC? A point is x1 y1 and C point is 0, 3. So diagonal AC find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? A point 0 minus 1 and C point is 0, 3. So diagonal AC is given by root of, okay, diagonal AC is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square is 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is y2 minus y1. What is y2 minus y1? 3 minus of minus 1. Okay, y2 minus y1. That is 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So 0 square plus 4 square, which is equal to root 16, which is 4. Diagonal BD. Diagonal BD is B point is 2, 1, D point is minus 2, 1. Diagonal BD, that diagonal BD is given by, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is equal to root of diagonal BD. So this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again it is minus 4 square. And this is minus 4 square and this is 0 square. So this is 16 plus 0, which is equal to root 16, which is equal to 4. Therefore diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. All sides are equal, also diagonals are equal. Therefore ABCD is a square. Next ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ parallelogram ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ opposite sides are equal and parallel, diagonals not equal ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. Okay, so we'll continue the second concept, that is section formula, in the next video. Thank you.